Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you initially open a Camera Raw file in Photoshop Elements, it notes the model of camera that was used to take the image and adjusts its settings accordingly. If you find that you are always making the same adjustments to your Camera Raw images, you can adjust the settings for a single Camera Raw image and then save those settings as the new defaults for that camera model. Note that you cannot save settings for multiple cameras of the same model. However, you can save settings for multiple models of different cameras if needed. To set new Camera Raw camera settings, first make any adjustments that you want to set as the new default settings for the camera model that was used to take the current Camera Raw image. Then click the Settings Options button in the upper right corner of the Settings panel. Select the Save New Camera Raw Defaults command in the side menu that appears to save the new settings as the default settings for the selected camera model. To reset the Camera Raw settings for the camera that was used to take the current Camera Raw image, click the Settings Options button in the upper right corner of the Settings panel. This time, select the Reset Camera Raw Defaults command in the side menu that appears to reset the Camera Raw settings for the selected camera model. Also note that you can choose from different Camera Raw settings, if available, in the top of the menu that appears when you click the Settings Options button in the upper right corner of the Settings panel. The choices are Image Settings, which is used to apply the set of default settings contained within the image for the camera model, Camera Raw Defaults, which is the set of default settings just discussed, Previous Conversion, which uses the previous image's Camera Raw conversion settings, or Custom Settings, which is selected when you choose to apply your own custom settings in this panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.